Let me say something that might surprise you. You do not need multiple products. You do not need to go viral, and you definitely do not need to post on social media every single day to make over £2,000 a month online. You only need that one digital product and a simple system behind it. And I am not going to gatekeep this because most people are making this harder than it needs to be. So here's what I usually say all the time. People spend months creating the perfect product, then they burn out trying to sell it, then they assume digital products don't just well because they don't have a system, they don't have a strategy, they don't know how it works. But coming from someone like me who went through months of being miserable trying to sell digital products online without getting any sales, even when I did free digital products, no one was actually willing to give it a try, to then making over 2,000 monthly selling digital products. This is what I can tell you. Success with digital products comes down to 3 simple things, and most people are not teaching them properly. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to choose and create a winning digital product in 24 hours, the best free platform to sell it on, and how to market it without posting every day or even having an audience. This is basically a free step-by-step course. So if you're serious about making money online, hit that like and click on subscribe. Let's get down to it. So let's break down how you can start achieving £2,000 a month number, because once you see it's broken down, it stops feeling unrealistic. So £2,000 a month is simply about £66 a day. Yeah, you can see, not bad, right? Now, we're not talking about high ticket coaching here. We're talking about simple low ticket digital products, things like templates, ebooks, trackers, toolkits, mini guides. If your product costs about, let's say, £27 or let's say £20, then you need to make maybe 3 sales a day. And then if you're selling it at maybe £30, then you need just about 2 sales a day, and it goes on and on like that. You just need like 2 or 3 people to buy from you to make that number. And this is just the bare minimum. Imagine 10 people buying from you a day, then imagine how much you're going to make at the end of the month out of the millions of people that are online. So this is not go viral or fail territory. This is clarity, positioning, and systems territory. So you might ask yourself, why should you go into digital products? This is why digital products are so powerful. There is no shipping, there is no inventory, there is no storage, no returns. You create it once and you can sell it over and over again. All you need to do is to keep upselling it or repackaging it or adding more value, and you're able to sell it in years to come. That's why people call it passive income. Not because you don't do anything, but because your work keeps paying. I know some of you are thinking, oh, I am not an expert. What would I even sell? And I want you to hear this clearly. You do not need to be a world-class expert. You only need to be one step ahead of the person buying from you. If you figured out how to do a budget, how to do a planner, how you journal daily, how to use maybe Canva, or how expert you are at creating images or videos or using ChatGPT, how to even organize your life, or so a particular skill that has to do with children, that's to do with working and all of that, or planning, as long as you have a problem people are having and you have the solution to it, and you have the knowledge on how to bring up that solution that people can use it to fix that one particular problem, then you're good to go. That knowledge is so valuable. People don't buy credentials as many people think. They buy solutions that can work with them almost immediately. So at the core, this entire business model is just this. You need one specific product that is going to solve one real problem for one clear person with a simple way for people to find it consistently. And that is it. You're good to go. Now the real question becomes, how do you know what to create, and how do you know people will actually buy it? This next part is the difference between people who make sales and people who stay stuck forever. So this is what I call the 3-way method. So just grab your pen and then do this with me. So the first way is what you know. So you have your skills, it might be your tools, your experiences, systems you've learned. Nothing is too basic, nothing is too simple, as long as it's a valuable knowledge that people are trying to get as a solution, then you're good to go. Number two, what problems have you solved for maybe your friends, yourself, or your co-workers, your family, anything that people come to seek advice from you about? This is where your superpower is. Then number three, what people actually pay for, because passion alone doesn't pay bills. People don't buy hobbies, they buy solutions. Okay, your niche lives where all of these three ways overlap. That is your sweet spot. That is where you know where to pick your product from. So once you've got your ideas, validate them with real data. This is where you can use tools like Answer the Public. You can go on Etsy, you can go on Amazon, KDP, search where people are selling these digital products, search what is trending. You're going to look at what is already selling, what are the price points, what are the kind of reviews people are giving, what are the kind of monthly revenue. If people are already buying similar products, that is proof that there is a demand for that product. So when you're going into digital product business, you are not guessing, you are going to let the data guide you into picking what kind of digital product you can create to actually make money. One of the common mistakes that people do is they go too broad, they widen their range when they are trying to create a particular product. So if you're creating like a planner or a journal and you are creating it for everyone, you won't sell. But if you are specific about what you're trying to do, like a planner for maybe working moms returning from maternity leave, or like a journal for busy moms with kids, something specific, you're targeting people that are specific, that is what you need to start doing. So the more specific you get, the easier marketing becomes, the clearer your messaging is, and the faster people say this is for me. Trying to appeal to everyone usually means you're appealing to no one. So now let's talk about where to sell. If you're a beginner, I strongly recommend you start with beacons. Why? Because it is free to start. You don't have any upfront cost, and then you pay when you make a sale. That's just like a transaction commission and things like that. It is not like Etsy that you need to get your own branded storefront. You need to compete with listing next to yours. You need to control pricing and other kinds of things. And then Etsy also charges you and stuff like that. And then another amazing thing about beacons is that it has email collection, allows you to upsell, it has affiliate programs embedded in it and all of that. It is just an amazing platform. And then you're also able to link your social media handles as well, where you're able to see how well your social media handles are actually doing. You're also able to see how many people are clicking in. So it's an amazing place to start with, and that is what I recommend. So now when it comes to creating your product with AI, the amazing thing is that you do not need weeks in Canva anymore. With AI, you can create ebooks, templates, workbooks, mini apps, all in under 24 hours. The key is start with an outline, work it section by section, focus on transformation, not information. Your product needs just one clear problem, one clear outcome, and one clear before and after. That's all you need to make it work. If you check down below, I have a tutorial in the description on how you can actually create an ebook from scratch without having to stress yourself using AI. Now, here is the big talk. Let's talk about traffic. That is where most people are actually struggling with. How do I sell my digital product to make money? Now, the biggest mistake people do is relying only on social media. Posting every day is exhausting and unpredictable. Instead, I use a search-based strategy using YouTube and Pinterest. These are search engines, not just social media platforms. People are actively looking for solutions, and content keeps working for you long after you posted it. So you can get inspiration from your Pinterest. You can pin your designs on Pinterest, add your website there, and you're good to go. You can also market on YouTube. Another platform that has also worked for me over time is TikTok. Yes, I know people say TikTok is overwhelming, but it's actually working for me. Even before I got my viral video, or before I got popular on TikTok, or even right now, I still have less than 5,000 followers, but I am constantly making sales. And that means I am doing something right, which is putting myself in front of the right target audience, selling to them in a way that doesn't feel salesy. So I share value with them. I share knowledge with them. They see how I can impact on them. And then that is what then attracts people to actually buy from me, if that makes sense. Another thing you need to understand is content alone doesn't sell. You need what we call a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? It is a simple freebie that solves a small part of the problem, relates directly to your paid product, and builds trust quickly. So let's say, for instance, when I wanted to go into digital products, I created my bundle, which I created myself. If you want to check it out, it's in the description. Thank you. So once I did that, I then did a small solution in my head. I turned it into an ebook, and that is how to start your own digital products business. And till now, I think I've had over 100 downloads of that particular freebie. But what you don't get is that when people get that freebie, I collect their emails, and then I set up an automation that then upsells them from that freebie to actually buying my digital product bundle. Yeah. So when you do something like that, you need to set up your automated email sequence, which you can do directly on Beacons, which is why I love using Beacons. You can do like a welcome to your automation system, like welcome them as a subscriber, share story, share the problem awareness, share values, share transformation, and then you can then offer them what you are actually trying to sell. This is how sales happen on autopilot, and it is an amazing thing for you to try. So guys, here's the truth. Nothing changes unless you take action. You can watch every video, you can download every freebie, you can save everything for later. Just like if you finish watching this video, you can save it that, oh, I'll get back to it. But if you don't take action, the results won't come. The results only come from you starting, from you opening that phone, opening that iPad, opening that laptop to actually start putting these tips I've given you into practice. If you want to make over 2,000 a month, even just starting with at least maybe £1,000 a month with digital products, it starts with creating that one product, not 10. Okay, down in the description I have different kinds of tutorials I've done for different kinds of digital products you can actually start. If you don't want to start on your own, I have a bundle that has different templates for you to get started with. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I drop educational videos such as this every week, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Toodles.